If you are using Windows Movie Maker or a watermarked editor, stop. You can get Hollywood-level software for free. It is called DaVinci Resolve by Blackmagic Design. This is the same software used to edit movies like Avatar and Dune. Go to the Blackmagic Design website, scroll down to DaVinci Resolve 19 or the latest version. Click Free Download. Make sure you choose the standard version, not the studio version, which costs money. The free version has 95% of the features, including 4K export, color grading, and Fairlight audio. Once you install it, the interface looks intimidating, but don't panic. Just focus on the Edit tab at the bottom. It works just like Premiere Pro with tracks, cutting tools, and transitions. It is the best software you can learn if you want a career in editing.